Hi y'all, today we are going to be making some cheeseburger bombs. Yep, that's right. For this we got a pound of ground beef, we got some Parmesan cheese, we got some cheddar cheese, we have some butter, we have some Italian seasoning, some garlic, and we got some Pillsbury Grands. The large ones, 8 to a can. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, I'm using 85/15. I wouldn't go any higher than an 80/20 ground beef. But we're going to take that into a cold pan. Cold pan matters when it comes to ground meat, whether it be pork or beef. Go ahead and break it up a little bit. So we got this pound of ground beef in here. Go ahead, break it up a little bit, and then turn your heat on to medium high. And going into a cold pan, what that's going to let it do is you're going to get a really good crumble on your meat. So we're going to go ahead and get this cooking. Drop in 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to go ahead. We're just going to get this until this meat is cooked up. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, so once our hamburger's cooked, go ahead, cut that heat. We're going to let this cool down for just a second. Now we have 1 cup of cheddar cheese, half a cup of Parmesan, in it goes. Give it a quick stir. Well, we got the cheeseburger. How do we get our bomb? Let's move over back to the counter. Hi y'all, got our can of biscuit. You can make fresh biscuits too. It's just a lot of work. Alright, so we're going to take a biscuit, compact that pretty good, just like so. We're going to take this biscuit, boom, fill it up with a little bit of our filling. And we're going to start working on closing it together. And then like anything else we bake, go ahead, put that seam down. We're going to rinse and repeat. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, now we have these done. We're going to go ahead, throw these in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees until the biscuit is done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our cheeseburger bombs are about to come out of the oven. We've gone ahead and melted about 2-ish tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead, drop in a teaspoon of that Italian seasoning. Give that a whirl. Sit to the side. And let's go get our cheeseburger bombs. Alright y'all, our bombs are out of the oven. We're going to go ahead, take that butter mixture that we just made, brush that over the top. Alright y'all, all we got left to do is serve them up and enjoy. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.